Alright guys, this is for the people in America mostly that don't have a Star bar. It is trying to see if it says what it is, the description. That's delicious. It's got like I think it's peanut. Definitely nuts. There's peanuts in it. And then some peanut butter. There's no description of it. But my goodness, is it good. Let me see if I can figure it out from the... There it is. Milk chocolate with caramel and peanut center. Really good. And the good news is there's not really any bad ingredients. All of it is pretty natural. It even just has glucose syrup. It doesn't have the glucose fructose syrup, which is like high fructose corn syrup. So that's really good, guys. Now